Welcome. In this video, we'll go through how to mute a username from people you don't follow on X, previously known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This update makes it much easier to filter unwanted content and manage who you hear from. Let's get started. First, open x.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the left sidebar menu. You'll see a More icon with 3 dots. Click on it. From the options that appear, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control how your account behaves and how you interact with other users. Inside the Settings page, go to Privacy and Safety. This section is all about controlling your experience on X, from what you see on your timeline to who can contact you. Next, select Mute and Block. This is where you can manage muted and blocked accounts or words. Now, choose Muted Words. This tool allows you to mute specific words, phrases, or even usernames that you don't want to see. To add a new one, click the plus icon in the top right corner. In the new window that appears, type the username you want to mute. Make sure to include the @ symbol before the username. For example, enter at username. Below that, you'll see a few fields you can customize. Under Mute From, select People You Don't Follow. This ensures that only posts containing that username from people outside your follow list will be muted. Then, choose how long you'd like the mute to last under duration. You can select from time options like 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or keep it muted permanently. Once you've filled everything out, click on Save. The username will now be muted from anyone you don't follow, helping keep your feed cleaner and more focused on the content you actually want to see. And that's it. You've successfully muted a username from people you don't follow on XWeb. This small setting can make a big difference in maintaining a peaceful and personalized timeline.